Okay, now this only goes one way. You have to put it like this, with this U-shaped part at the bottom. So get your bolts ready. Well, once you get one bolt in, then you're good. The nut is a different size. Nut's 14 millimeter and the bolt is 13. I'm going to use a 4-foot level. Hopefully it'll fit. Well, I guess not. Now you want your level down here, and then adjust this end so that it's correct. Now, they aren't even, but let's see. I'll have to loosen them all again. Okay, here's my solution for getting these level. I took this level and clamped it over here on this side, and then I clamped it over here on this side also. That's what I'm going to do on this side. And also, I tightened this bolt here how it should be. And hopefully I can move this one in alignment and it won't throw everything off. But I left these bolts loose. Like I say, hopefully when I take this level off it'll still be okay. Well, that didn't help any. Now this whole thing, it droops down a little bit. Well, I think I'm just going to go with it how it is and tighten the bolts. Okay, now you're going to put these this tailstock and this tool rest on here, and make sure that these black things right here, make sure that they are on, and this part right here from here to here goes in between the rails, the top rails. Alright, now we're going to get our workpiece. Okay, now we have to put this spur center on the workpiece. Okay, now I don't know if you saw the other video, the previous video about this lathe. But I took a handsaw. First of all, I made a groove with my knife, with my utility knife, so that this kerf would be for the spur center. And I'd made another kerf on this part right here. So now you have to align the points here with each one of these lines here these kerfs and then hammer it down. If you want to drill a hole in the exact center where these two kerfs meet, you can do that too. Because this center is not very pointy. Put it on a hard surface and then hammer it in there. And hopefully you don't crack your workpiece. Now move your tool rest clear down here somewhere and thread this. Well, I'm just going to thread this on. This is the spur center. Use your two wrenches that you had before, these little things that came with a lathe. I'm going to take a screw and make a small hole right there where the center is. Okay. Now tighten this wing nut. Alright, now bring this nut right here. Bring this nut up. Turn your center in a little bit. This is the hand wheel that I had talked about in the previous video. Yeah, make sure this wing nut right here is very tight. Okay, now we're going to tighten this nut right here. Now once I get it going, it should be okay to, oh, I can see where I got off on the spur center, so I'm going to have to loosen this all up again. Yeah, these teeth on the spur center are not in alignment with the kerfs. Okay, I've run into a problem here. That wing nut right there, I can't tighten it. It's there's not enough room for my fingers in there. I'm going to try to find a nut to go on there. Okay, now the spur center looks okay. And now I got to bring in the tail stock. Okay, I found that this table saw seems to be about the perfect height. And I've got from here to the floor, I've got 36. Okay, here's a bolt hole right here. And here's another one down here. I'll measure between them, give it a couple inches so that the bolts will have some place to dig into. I'm going to say it's around 42. So I need a board 42, two of them 42, and then 4 of them that are 36. Also, there's another bolt hole back here. So there's 3 on this side, 3 on the other side. This nut for the tail stock, it's 18 millimeter. Okay, now turn your hand wheel in. Because this surface is painted with a very high gloss red, it makes it slippery. Okay, turn the hand wheel in. One of the problems with this lathe is it looks good right from here to here, but you turn it around like this and you got this right here and this right here, and it's not good. Here's another problem with this lathe. Too much play in this particular component. One of the ways that you can use to measure something, I want to measure the diameter of this, and I want to make this shim out of this sheet metal. So, first of all, put your tape on there. This is just plain masking tape. Now that's where I'm going to cut it. See, it's still loose. Oh, we're gonna have to do something else now. Okay, my plan is to take that chain right there around that piece of wood and then hook it over here. on this post, and then pull the wood out. Okay, we'll try that. Then I'll drive the truck out. Yeah, that worked really well. Just hook it on something solid, pull your wood out.